So we got warm water, 70 degrees, and also stained water at Lake of the Woods. So we wanted to kind of push the envelope as far as presentation. And lately, as walleye tournament anglers, we've really started realizing that there's almost no limit to what we can use to catch summertime walleyes when they're really, really active. So we started going through crankbaits, and we arrived at the Berkley Digger. This is an 8.5. Chameleon Pearl's been by far our best color. Second has been this Fire Tiger. Both of these baits are really loud, obnoxious baits. They have a ton of vibration and a super loud rattle. On the other side of it, we said, why not try the Champ Swimmer? So we have a big bright bold color from ROI, and then also the natural perch color. And these are pretty big baits for walleyes, but we decided, why don't we give these a shot too? So Gary's been putting them down on a snap weight, and these things have actually been keeping up with the Digger. So I kind of like to think that they're on a different level together. Big, high action paddle tail and a really loud, obnoxious crankbait. So both of them feeding to those summertime walleyes that have the peak metabolism.